Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to file for Social Security retirement benefits online in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to search for ssa.gov. This is basically the official website for Social Security in the United States. Now, once you are on this page, you just have to click on the retirement tab, and then you need to search for apply for the retirement benefits. If you are not able to find that option, you can just use the search bar in the top and you can just search for retirement benefits. Now, once you are on this page, you will see this type of sign in option. So click on sign in. You will need a My Social Security account. If you don't have it, you need to click on the create an account option and then provide your personal details and further instructions. You need to follow them, and this will take just a few minutes for you to create your My Social account here. So you need to do that and sign in into your account. So once you are logged in, you can start your new application, which requires you to provide some of the answers to some of the questions about your work history, your age, banking info, so benefits can be paid directly to your account. You need to double check all of the answers and submit the application. Save the confirmation number that is given to you. You will receive a follow-up by mail or online. So this is how you can file the Social Security retirement benefits online. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.